I grabbed the column meanings from the Iowa Gambling Task and pasted them in Excel. The column meanings are a little long for Excel headings, so I shortened them to easy names. Reaction time for the mouse click. Choice for whether or not I picked A, B, C, or D. Fee for whether or not I had to pay out money. If the fee was equal to 1, I had to pay out money, while if it was 0, I didn't. Start dollars referred to how much money I had at the beginning of each trial, while end dollars was how much I had left in the bank at the end of each trial. Winnings was the amount I won, $50 or $100, while penalties was the amount I lost, $0, $50, or $250. I copied these headings into sheet 2. I'm going to paste these in a very special way using this clipboard icon with a little angled arrow on it, which pastes the data in a transposed format. Now I have nice column headers. I'm going to go back to my Psych Tool experiment and grab the raw data, which I'm going to paste into Excel. I want to run some statistics on this data to find out what it means about my gambling habits. In order to run statistics in Excel, we have to make sure we have the statistics add-in enabled. Go to File, and then Options, and then Add-ins. Near the bottom of the screen, you will see Manage Excel Add-ins. Click Go. Make sure the Analysis Tool Pack is clicked. That's all there is to it. Now, when you click the Data tab, you'll see an Analysis option. We're going to run some correlations to see if our winnings, fees, or penalties are correlated with our gambling decisions. There's something a little funny about running correlations in Excel. The columns that you want to correlate have to be right next to each other. So we're going to grab column B, choice, and we're going to paste it 3 times in new columns. 1 for each correlation we want to run. The first correlation we want to run is between choice and fee. The second one we want to run is between choice and winnings. And the third one we want to run is between choice and penalties. So I paste the fee column next to the choice column, the winnings column next to the second choice column, and the penalties column next to the third choice column. Now we go to Data Analysis and select Correlations. In the Correlations menu, we select the option to allow labels in the first row. Our input range will contain the data in the columns for choice and fee, while our output range will be positioned to the right of our data in column P, cell 1. There's absolutely no correlation whatsoever. Yuck. Let's see if we have correlations between choice and winnings. Go to Data, Data Analysis, Correlation, click OK. Select the data columns for choice and winnings. Big money, big money, big money. Our new output range is going to be right under the last one. And this is a very big correlation. It's so big, it's one of the biggest ones in science. Oh yeah. Well, you know, psychological science, so, you know, meh. The last correlation, we're going to data analysis, correlation, click OK. Choose the choice and penalties data and set the output under the last output. And there was a moderate correlation. Between penalties and choice. I can tell you from the task that I was very influenced by whether I just saw that green screen where you won or whether I saw the green screen and the red screen. I wasn't really looking at how much money there was, just whether it was green, good, or green and red, Overall, I was far more influenced by whether or not I won something as opposed to whether or not I received a penalty, which might be why I'm such a bad gambler.